Hi guys, this is a short video for all our December 2022 planners as festivities are over and less than 1 month is left for exam. So you guys should be done with content by now. It's very important to wrap up the content on time so that you can move forward to your past papers. So in this entire 1 month, you guys should be focusing on detailed past papers practice because that is what the need of the hour is. So at least last 5 to 7 years past papers you guys should be doing, whether you're appearing for a numerical subject or a theory subject, whether for an initial exam or a higher exam. Past papers practice is something which is extremely important at this point of time if you are appearing for December 2022. Plus it's after around 2 years that II has come up with this offline format. So it's very important that whatever past papers you are practicing, just make sure to practice in written format so that you are prepared for your real exam as well, because when you are verbally practicing, that doesn't make sense unless and until you are practicing in complete exam style manner. So if you have less time, just make sure that whatever you are practicing, that has to be as per the correct format. So do practice in written format, and this time we can expect the exam to be a bit lengthier as well. So you guys should focus on your time management skills. Still, in case of any doubts, feel free to contact us at the number mentioned. Thank you.